Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. You are all warmly welcome. I appreciate you all. Family, today on our menu, we have Gari Fufuo or Eba, as our neighboring Nigerians call it. Okay? It's so simple to put together. And today, family, I want to show you two ways of making Gari Fufuo or two types of Gari Fufuo or Eba. Okay? So sit back and relax, go nowhere, and let's put things together. And I'm sure you love it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. And as always, your girl will appreciate it. Without further ado, let's begin. To the boiling water, I'm adding my turmeric powder and I'll stir till everything is well incorporated. And after that, I'll let it boil again and I'll come back and add my gari. At this stage, the more gari you add, the thicker the consistency of the Gari Fufuo or eba. Same way, the less water you add, the thicker the consistency of the Gari Fufuo or eba. Right now, you want to add some hot water so that you can be able to knead the Gari Fufuo or eba against the size of the pot or saucepan you are using, just like so. I'm going to knead until I get a smooth, stretchy, and lamb-free Gari Fufu or eba. Okay? Kindly like, share, comment on the video. Okay? Right now, I'm going ahead to add some more hot water and then I will let it sit and boil for some few more minutes and I'll come back and knead it until it's completely cooked. Okay? And it can take about 15 minutes to be ready. Yeah? So let's keep kneading until you get stretchy, lamb-free, and smooth consistency, just like I'm doing. All right, please stay tuned to the end and be inspired. After this, we make the second method, and henceforth you can make your own choice between these two. Okay, now let's check. This is ready. So, family, we will set it aside and focus on the second method. All right, so now into the next saucepan, I'm adding palm oil into the hot water and I will stir gently just like so. After that, I'll add my gari. Yeah, and this time around, I'm not adding too much gari because I want it very soft. Okay, so here we go. It's not going to be too thick like the first one, as you all can see. And also, I didn't add too much palm oil, so you can just see that the yellowish color is not too much like the first one. Yeah. So now I've added water and I'll let the water sit and boil for some few minutes and I'll come back and knead just like I'm doing. I want it to be stretchy, to be smooth, and to be lamb free. Okay. 15 minutes later, we are all done with this one. And family, I love how soft it is, just like I wanted. Now let's mold them beautifully. Wow. So family, this is how I make my two types of Gari Fufu or Eba at home. And I'm so sure you've been inspired. And you can pair it with any soup of your choice, such as palm nut soup, groundnut soup, lye soup, okra stew or soup, and you'll be good to go. Family, I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thank you all for watching till this point. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah. Kiss. Bye, all. Yummy! Delicious.